Hello, doctor. This is Adele speaking. To tackle the second question, we start by dividing the question by following people. Our population is children, the intervention is MMR vaccine, the comparison is lack of vaccination, and the outcome is autism.
Hello again, doctor. This is Lamis. In Pubmed, we go to clinical queries because this is an EBM question. Since it discusses harm slash etiology of the vaccine, we select etiology from the filters and we choose a broad scope uh, so that we don't narrow our search from the beginning. We also type MMR vaccine autism. We don't have to include and in PubMed because there's a default and in it. And we click on search, search all results in PubMed. Okay, and then we go to advanced search and select the following mesh terms. Okay, these measles, mumps, rubella vaccine mesh term. The same for autism. And we also add etiology broad filter. Then we click on search.
Then we go to additional filters. We select preschool child, and then we click show. Then we have to click on them from the filters list, but the page is still loading. We select the filters, both of them, and now we have 65 results. In case we want to filter the results and make them less, we can go to the article type and we can select either systematic review or meta-analysis. However, we do not choose randomized control trial or clinical trial because this is a harm etiology question and it would be unethical for us to have such trials. With this, the second question is now over.